Friends, good morning. Today our topic of discussion is that output device, or you can say the output unit. In your previous classes we covered about your input units, and today we will start the output unit. Some days before, on the beginning of your online classes, I already discussed about your memory unit. Input unit is covered, and today we will going to discuss about your output unit. Under this output unit, you will find the output devices. Okay. The output unit, I draw the same picture again. This is the CPU, this is the input unit, and this is your memory unit. Okay, and this is your output unit. Output unit. Clear? Here, this output unit lets the computer to communicate with the user. What? I repeat this. This output unit lets the computer or lets the CPU to communicate with the users. It means that output unit is a what type of mediator. It is a media through which computer can provide some information to the user. For this purpose, the information comes from the computer or CPU is not directly understandable by the user. That's why in input unit, any input devices, there is a input, any output devices, there is a interface that is known as the output interface. Output interface receives the output from the CPU and converts it into the human readable form. The output which is come from the CPU is machine readable form, which is not understandable by the user. That's why there is an interface here. There is an output interface, and that interface translates this machine readable to human readable. This translates into machine readable to human readable. Clear? Here there is an interface that's known as the output interface. Output interface is a translator which translates binary language to high level language or human understandable language. Is it clear? Here our discussion point is that output unit. Okay? And output unit is the collection of, you can say, the collection of some output devices. The output devices. The output devices by output device को हमें कौन करछंती दुई प्रकार क्लासिफाई करछंती. The output devices are classified into two types. One is hard copy output devices, another is soft copy output devices. It is hard copy output devices. And another type is soft copy soft copy output devices. Clear? The entire output devices is classified into two types. One is hard copy output devices, another type is soft copy output devices. Here questions are is what is hard copy output devices. To understand about the hard copy output devices, we have to make us clear about what is hard copy and what is soft copy. Students, hard copy is a paper document which is tangible. Which is tangible. It means that that document, that output document is touchable. You can touch, you can hold that paper document. This is the hard copy. Any type of document, your certificate paper format is the hard copy. You can touch this, you can hold this, you can put that document anywhere as your choice, that is your file or etc. Any type of storage system store kari rakhuchandi. You can say the hard copy, it means that the document which is touchable or which can holdable, you can say. It means that this type of the hard copy. The devices which produce the hard copy is known as the hard copy output devices. The output devices which produce the hard copy is known as the hard copy output devices, and the hard copy is tangible. This is tangible and portable. This is tangible and portable. This tangible means the touchable, and portable means it is lighter form, you can carry easily from one place to another place. That is the portable. And another type of document, another type of output, that is the soft copy, and soft copy generally not touchable. Generally not touchable. And this soft copy is, you can say, it's intangible. It is intangible. It is not touchable. You can't hold such type of copies, such type of outputs. That is intangible. Just you can view, you can see the output in your monitor. You cannot hold that type of output. This is known as the soft copy. You can say the printer produce the hard copy and scanner produce the soft copy. Clear? Again, printer produce the hard copy and scanner produce the soft copy. I think you can differentiate it, the hard copy and soft copy. I think you understood that. The hard copy is one type of this document. The hard copy जोटा के हमें पेपर रे धरुचंती, that the hard copy, and जोटा के हमें scan कर दोचंती, scan कला पर हम screen ले, mobile screen ले, जहाँ में देखुचंती, which is only the visible. You can't touch the type of documents. This is not that soft copy. Clear? On the basis of this nature of the document, on the basis of the nature of the output, the devices is differentiate between two types. One is hard copy output devices and soft copy output devices. Clear? Again, we will go further. We will discuss about the hard copy output devices. The hard copy output devices, some example we can give you. Printer is one type of hard copy output devices. Printer, plotter and microfilms. This example is printer, plotter and microfilms. Microfilm. This type of devices is known as the hard copy output devices, and this device produce the output as tangible form, as touchable form, as portable form. But the example of some soft copy output devices is monitor, visual display terminal, visual display terminal, video, audio response, video display आम कह video display. Okay, the monitor, visual display terminals, video display, audio response, this kind of output devices come under soft copy output devices, and the document, the output which is visible, which is displayed by the computer on your monitor is not touchable, it is not holdable. That's why it is known as the soft copy, and this type of devices which produce the soft copy is known as the soft copy output devices. Is it clear? Today our deep point of discussion is about the printer. We will discuss details about the printer. Okay, then I will erase it. This is the printer. Printer is a hard copy output devices which prints your output on the document. That's why its name is the printer. The device which do printing, the devices which do printing is known as the printer, and printer produce the hard copy output document. And printer is categorized into two types, or you can say it is classified into two types. One is impact printer, another kind of printer is the on impact printer. On impact but non impact लिख परिबा, on impact but non impact लिखुची, non impact printer. Is it clear? The printer is classified into two types. You can find these two types of printer. One is impact printer, one is non impact printer. So what is the impact printer? In impact printer, you can see one type of ribbon. Okay, the impact printer uses some ribbons, or you can say it what is the impact printer? Okay, it uses, you can say the impact printer. Okay, impact printer uses some typewriter approach of physically striking against a paper with a inked ribbon. There गोटे रिबन अच्छी जोटा रिबन लिखी इंक लगी गोटे पेपर उपर से स्ट्राइक कर फिजिकली स्ट्राइक कर लाइक टाइपराइटर. That is the impact printer. The impact printer based on this technology, based on this, that's the, it uses the ribbons, it uses the ink and the ribbons. Okay, and that ribbon is like typewriter approach. It adapts the typewriter approach of it is physically striking, repeatedly striking on the paper on the or any type of surface to print. Okay, but non-impact printer doesn't need, it doesn't hit or impact on papers to print. But it need a impact, it hit repeatedly, impact printer, but non-impact printer doesn't do such type of impact, that it doesn't, you can say it doesn't hit on the papers to print some things. Non-impact printer uses some inkjet technologies. What is inkjet technologies? Inkjet technologies and some electrochemicals. The non-impact printer uses the inkjet technologies and electrochemicals to print something on the paper, whereas impact printer uses a ribbon and ink ribbon, and that ink ribbon repeatedly strike on the paper surface to print something. Okay, and impact printer, basically impact printer prints a character or line at a time. Impact printer prints a character or line at a time, and it is basically black and white. There is no color printing. It can print in the basis of black and white format. There is no color printing possible in case of impact printer. And you can say impact printer is the old designed printer, and non-impact printer is the update design by modern design printer. This is pattern of printing is the black and white. It is slow, it is cheap as compared to the non-impact printer. It prints the character or line at a time, It prints the character or line at a time. It uses the ribbon technologies. The black and white pattern of a printing is possible here. It is slower as compared to the non-impact printer. It is cheaper as compared to the non-impact printer. This type of natures, this type of features you can find regarding the impact printer. Non-impact printer uses the inkjet technologies, electrochemicals. It is used to print some things on the paper, and color printing is possible. What? Color printing is possible here, and it is faster and costly. तो ମୁଁ आशा करुच्ची इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर भितर डिफरेन्शिएट कर पारुछ किछि गोटे टाइप राइटर भली गोटे रिबन लगी किसी इंक लगी थाए से प्रिंट करी जाए स्ट्राइक कर बारंबार पेपर ऊपर माड़ हो गोटे समय गोटे कैरेक्टर कि गोटे लाइन प्रिंट कर पारे ब्लैक एंड प्रिंटिंग संभव एक जगह बहुत स्लो प्रोसेसिंग एंड इट इज चीपर टे सस्ता ये अपेक्षा इnkjet टेक्नोलॉजीज पढ़ेगा यूज करुच्ची इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल्स किसी यूज करुच्ची कलर प्रिंटिंग संभव होची फास्टर एंड कॉस्टली रोज एंड अ प्रिंटर द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ प्रिंटिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द रिजोल्यूशन ये क्वेश्चन अराइज व्हाट इज रिजोल्यूशन मु कौन कहली द क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रिंटिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ प्रिंट आउट depends on the resolution. Resolution determines the how many dots per inch, that's known as the DPI, dot per inch. How many dots you can find per inch, gote inch re ketoti dots ach, that is known as the pixel. आम जो कैमेरा किणुंट मेगापिक्सल नहीं कि पिक्सेल पिक्सेल मीन्स डॉट्स फॉर एग्जांपल गोटे मु सर्कल करुच्ची देख क्लारिटी केमिति रोचे सपोज आम डॉट देले ये गोटे सर्कल कराला यार क्लारिटी देखो या शार्पनेस ने देखो आउ गोटे मु सर्कल करुच्ची many dots I use to draw this type of circle and you already differentiate between the less dot circle and more dot circle आम लेस डॉट यूज करते मोर डॉट यूज करते सर्कल भितर यार क्लारिटी देख तेरे आम जो कैमेरा पिक्चर बार देखुं कि प्रिंट आउट बाहर कर दैट प्रिंट आउट क्लारिटी that you can say the quality of that printout depends upon the how many dots per inch gote inch re ketoti dots so that dot is known as the pixel. Here one parameter of clarity of the output clarity of the printout is the number of dots or you can say DPI dot per inch. You can find the many resolution. You can find more resolution in case of non-impact printer as compared to impact printer. More resolutions, high resolution. High resolutions means per gote inch re adhika dots थाए in case of non-impact printer. But एठिरे गोटे इंच उपरे कम डॉट पाए तो यू कैन से द क्लारिटी और द क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रिंटर डिपेंड्स अपॉन इट्स रिजोल्यूशंस एंड व्हाट इज रिजोल्यूशन द रिजोल्यूशन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द नंबर ऑफ डॉट्स पर इंच इज इट क्लियर ओके लेस रिजोल्यूशंस इट इज द लो रिजोल्यूशन आम कहि परिया दिस द हाई रिजोल्यूशंस printer this is the low resolution printer okay next thing हमें देखिबा जे इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर भितर किए करइबो नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर भितर किए करोछि अंडर द इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर आई गिव सम एग्जांपल दैट इज डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर and another kind is daisy flower printer daisy flower जदि तुमको visible न होतु मु स्पेलिंग करूची DAISY daisy flower printer and another kind is drum printer. There are three kinds of printer under impact printer: dot matrix printer, daisy flower printer and drum printer. And under this category I gave some two examples is there. One is jet printer, jet ink printer बा कहि परियो बा jet printer बोली आमे साधारणतः कहि परछंती printer and another is laser printer and out of these 5 types of printer best high quality and fastest printer is the laser printer. Update technologies you can find in case of laser printer and laser printer prints 5 to 25 pages at a time by 5 to 25 pages in a minute गोटे मिनिट रे 5 रू 5 to 24 5 रू 24 पेज से प्रिंट करि परियार कैपेसिटी रखुछि लेजर प्रिंटर in 1 minute you can print 5 to 24 printer. Lower limit is 5 and upper limit is 24 pages. Here the printing is possible on character wise or line wise, but in case of laser printer the printing is possible on the basis of page wise printing you can find in case of laser printer. Clear? Next, one by one we will discuss about dot matrix printer, daisy flower printer, drum, jet printer, jet ink दे पारे, otherwise I am jet printer and laser printer. Now we will discuss about dot matrix printer. Matrix printer. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer uses, I already told you, dot matrix printer uses typewriter approach of physically striking on any surface, physically striking, you can say against any paper or with ink ribbon. Repeat करूची. Dot matrix printer uses the typewriter approach of physically striking the typeface against any paper with ink ribbon. Clear? And dot matrix printer एठी हमें कौन कला एठी typewriter approach नोच, writer approach अडाप्ट करूची. ओके, आमे एठी पाइबा इंक रिबन कॉन्सेप्ट पाइबा. मुझे नोट देबी यार ओरी हवर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर प्रिंट्स वन कैरेक्टर एट ए टाइम. इट प्रिंट्स वन कैरेक्टर एट ए टाइम. It prints one character at a time and its resolution is 72 to 360 dpi. What is dpi? Dot per inch. The resolution of a dot matrix printer is 72 to 360 dpi and its speed is considered as it can print 200 to 500 character per second. Clear? The per second the dot matrix printer prints 200 to 500 character per second. एतिक से कैरेक्टर प्रिंट करि पारे. दिस इज योर स्पीड. दिस इज द स्पीड ऑफ डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर. क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट डेजी फ्लावर प्रिंटर. डेजी फ्लावर गोटे फूल भाई देखा यहाँ. डेजी फ्लावर प्रिंटर. It also use the same technology. That same ribbon will strike on the paper repeatedly. Okay, and it also prints one character at a time. One character at a time. Its speed is 100 character per second. CPS लिखा होची. It prints 100 character per second and it is slower as compared to dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer. It is slower as compared to dot matrix printer and high quality. Quality point of view, it is better than dot matrix. Better quality आम लिख पारिया, better quality हम पाई पारिया. It is better quality as compared to the dot matrix printer and it is costly. Questions arise, why costly? It is the slower, but you can say the pixel, more pixel you can find, more resolutions you can find in case of daisy flower printer, and for better quality purpose we use such type of printer, whether even if it is slower, but it is better, that's why it is costly. It is all about the daisy flower printer. Next topic is drum printer. Drum printer. Drum printer also based on that technology. Already I told you the impact printer technology. It is also based on that technology, and it also print a character or a line at a time. It can print a character or line, both is possible, character or line at a time, line at a time. That's why it is known as the line printer. It is known as line printer. Character ऊपर ऐसे focus करिवानी. We can say the drum printer can print one line at a time. यहाँ पर ऐसे focus न करले better हो. One line at a time. That's why this kind of printer is known as the line printer. Clear? And it is faster. Its resolution is its speed हम देखिए. Its speed is 200 to 1200 or 400, 500 to ले 500 to 1200 CPS. Means it can print 500 to 1200 character per second. Okay, and this is the speed of drum printer. Okay, and it is costly as compared to the previous daisy flower and dot matrix. It is faster, and this kind of printer is used to print a large scale of printout. This drum printer is used to print large scale of printout. For more voluminous of printing, we use such type of drum printer. Next, our topic is non-impact printer. Topic is non-impact printer under I am पाइले कौन Z printer. Okay. Z printer uses the Z technologies. It means that instead of striking the typefaces against any papers with ink ribbon, it used the jet technologies. It used the jet technologies, jet ink technology, ink technology. technology. It sprays the inks on the paper as jet. The jet भली पेपर उपरे इंक गुडी को स्प्रे कर दिए. Its resolution is, or you can say, it can print a character or line like a drum printer. It can also print a character or line at a time, and that is its speed is 200 to 2500 to 2500 CPS. That speed is 200 to 2500 CPS. It means that character per second. गोटे सेकेंड 200 to 200 रू 2500 character ये print करी पारुछि. This is the speed of jet printer. And last one is the laser printer. And या ऊपर आप कुछ लिखि परिबा. It is faster, better quality you can find here, better quality and costly. And this type of printer is used at home. You can use this type of printer at home or office, home or in office. You can see, or this type of printer is used at home or in office for this printing purpose. Last type of printer is laser printer. Laser printer. Laser printer uses same jet ink technologies and electrochemicals ये use करे as ink. Okay, it can print a page at a time. Printing is based on page wise. Printing is based on page wise, and 5 to 24 pages. It can print 5 to 24 pages at a time. Or at a time I am कह pages per minute I am लिख करिया. It can print 5 to 24 pages per minute. Clear? And best quality of a printing is possible here. Best quality printing, more expensive. It is more expensive, and it is fastest printer. The fastest printer is like this. This is laser printer. Printing is based on the page wise. 5 to 24 pages can be printed per minute. It is best quality printing you can do using this laser printer. It is more expensive as compared to its previous versions. Previous जो jet dot matrix drum daisy flower अपेक्षा ये अधिक expensive. And जते भी printer अच्छी that the fastest printer is the laser printer. Clear? This is ऑल अबाउट योर प्रिंटर। या पर मु तुमको नोट देवी, जब नोट देवी नोट लिखी ना नोट पीडीएफ पठेदेवी, देखा के समय देख लो 40 रख दो।